Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about room service at a hotel. In this video, you will follow a simple and easy story between a guest and room service staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Sam ask to remove from his chicken sandwich? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hello?
Hello, room service. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. This is Sam in room 305.
Hello, Sam. What can I do for you today?
I would like to order some food, please. I am hungry.
Of course. Have you looked at the menu in your room?
Yes, I looked at it. There are a lot of things on the menu. I am not sure what to choose.
I understand. The menu can be a little long, but I am happy to help you decide.
Thank you. That would be great. I am staying at this hotel for the first time, so I do not know what is good here.
Oh, welcome to our hotel. I hope you are enjoying your stay so far.
Yes, I am. The room is very nice and clean. I really like it. The view from the window is beautiful too.
Oh, that is nice. Room 305 has a lovely view of the city. I am glad you like it. Now, would you like me to tell you about some of our popular dishes?
Yes, please. I would love to hear about them.
Wonderful. Let me tell you about what we have tonight.
Great. I am ready to listen. So, what do you recommend?
Well, we have pasta, sandwiches, and soup. These are our most popular items.
Oh, that sounds good. I like all of those. Can you tell me more about the sandwiches?
Sure. We have a chicken sandwich, a beef sandwich, and a vegetable sandwich.
I see. Which one is the most popular? I want to try the best one.
Our chicken sandwich is very popular. Many guests order it every night. People really love it.
Really? That sounds nice. What is in the chicken sandwich?
It has lettuce, tomato, and cheese, and we also add a special sauce on top. The bread is very fresh, too.
That sounds delicious. I am getting hungry just thinking about it.
That is a good sign. What about the soup? Would you like to hear about our soup?
Yes, please. What kind of soup do you have today?
Today, we have tomato soup and mushroom soup. Both are made fresh every day in our kitchen.
I love mushroom soup. Is it a big bowl or a small bowl?
We have two sizes. You can choose a small bowl or a large bowl. The small bowl is good for a side dish, and the large bowl is good if you are very hungry.
Okay, I think a small bowl will be enough because I also want a sandwich.
That is a good idea. The sandwich and a small soup go very well together.
Sounds great. And what about drinks? What do you have?
We have coffee, tea, orange juice, apple juice, and water. We also have milk if you would like.
Great. You have a lot of choices. Let me think for a moment.
Of course, take your time.
Actually, one more question. How much is the chicken sandwich?
The chicken sandwich is $12.
And the mushroom soup? How much is that?
The small mushroom soup is $6 and the large one is $9.
Okay, thank you. That is very helpful. I think I know what I want now.
Great. What would you like to order?
I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
1 chicken sandwich. Got it. Would you like anything else with that?
Yes, but first I have a small request about the sandwich. Can I get it without cheese?
No cheese? Of course. That is no problem at all. We can do that for you.
Thank you. I cannot eat cheese. It makes me feel sick, so I always ask for no cheese.
I understand completely. We will make sure there is no cheese on your sandwich. I will tell the kitchen right away.
Thank you very much. And can I also have a small mushroom soup?
Sure, 1 small mushroom soup. Is the soup okay as it is, or do you have any special requests for the soup too?
No, the soup is fine just the way it is. I like mushroom soup the regular way.
Okay, and would you like something to drink with your meal?
Yes. Can I have a glass of orange juice, please? I love orange juice.
1 glass of orange juice. Sure. Would you like ice in your juice?
Yes, please, with ice. I like my juice cold.
I understand. Cold juice is the best, especially in the evening. Is that everything for your order?
Actually, can I add one more thing?
Of course. What would you like to add?
Can I have some extra napkins? I always need more napkins when I eat.
No problem at all. We will bring extra napkins for you. I am the same way, actually.
That is funny. Thank you so much.
Okay, let me repeat your order to make sure everything is correct.
Sure, go ahead.
So, 1 chicken sandwich, no cheese,
Yes, that is right.
and 1 small mushroom soup,
Yes, correct.
and 1 orange juice with ice,
Yes, that is correct.
and extra napkins.
Yes, please, do not forget the napkins.
I will not forget, I promise. Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything. Thank you for checking.
You are welcome. I always like to check because I want to make sure we get your order right.
Thanks a lot. So how long will it take?
It will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that is fine. I am not in a hurry. I will watch some TV while I wait.
That sounds like a nice plan. We will bring your food to room 305 as soon as it is ready.
That is great. Thank you very much, Mina.
You are welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with before I go?
No, that is all for now. Thank you.
Okay, we will see you soon. Have a good evening, Sam.
You too. Thank you. Good night.
Good night. See you soon. Room service?
Oh, one moment, please. I am coming to the door.
Of course. Take your time.
Hi there. Thank you for bringing my food. That was fast.
You are welcome. I know you were hungry, so we tried to be quick. Here is your order.
Oh, thank you. Let me see. So this is the chicken sandwich with no cheese, right?
Yes, that is correct. 1 chicken sandwich with no cheese. And here is your small mushroom soup.
Wow, it looks really good. The sandwich looks amazing, and the soup smells wonderful.
Thank you. Our chef made everything fresh for you tonight. He is very proud of his mushroom soup.
I can see that. It looks homemade. That is wonderful. Where should I put the tray when I am done eating?
You can leave the tray outside your door. Just put it on the floor next to your door and we will pick it up later.
Okay, that is easy. I will do that. Thank you.
And here are your extra napkins. I brought a lot for you.
Oh, great. Thank you for remembering. You are very kind.
Of course, I did not forget. Is there anything else you need right now?
No, I think I have everything. This all looks wonderful. I cannot wait to eat.
Wonderful. Enjoy your meal, Sam. I hope you like everything.
Thank you so much. I'm sure I will. Have a good night.
Good night. If you need anything at all, please call us anytime.
I will. Thank you again.
Hello? Room service?
Hello, room service. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Sam again. I am in room 305. I called a little while ago.
Hello again, Sam. Is everything okay with your order?
Well, the food is delicious. The sandwich is really great, and the soup is wonderful. But I think something is missing from my order.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What is missing?
I did not get my orange juice. I ordered an orange juice with ice, but it was not on the tray when the food arrived.
Oh, no, I am sorry. Let me check your order right now. One moment, please.
Sure, take your time. I am enjoying my sandwich while I wait.
Yes, you are right. I can see it here in our system. You ordered one orange juice with ice. I am very sorry about that. It was our mistake.
That is okay. Do not worry too much. These things happen sometimes. It is not a big problem.
Thank you for being so understanding. I am really sorry about the mistake. It should not have happened.
Really, it is no problem at all. I just wanted to let you know so I can get my juice.
Of course. Can we send the juice to your room right away?
Yes, please. That would be great. Thank you.
We will bring it right away. It should be there in just a few minutes.
Nice. Thank you for the quick help. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Thank you for calling us about it, Sam. We want to make things right. Room service. I have your orange juice, Sam.
Oh, that was really fast. Thank you so much. Please come in.
Here is your orange juice with ice. Nice and cold, just how you like it. Again, I am very sorry about the mistake earlier.
Please do not worry about it. Really, it is totally fine. You brought it very quickly.
Thank you for being so kind about it. We want all of our guests to have a good experience.
Well, I am having a very good experience. The food was excellent tonight, especially the mushroom soup. It was so good, I loved it.
I am so glad to hear that. I will tell the chef. He will be very happy to hear that his soup was so popular tonight.
Yes, please tell him. The soup was hot and fresh and full of flavor. I really enjoyed every bite.
That is wonderful to hear. Is there anything else I can do for you tonight?
Actually, yes. One small question. What time does room service close?
Room service is available until 11 o'clock at night, so you still have some time.
Oh, good. So I can order again later tonight if I want something else?
Yes, of course. You can call us any time before 11 o'clock, and we will be happy to help.
That is nice. Maybe I will order some tea later before I go to sleep.
That sounds lovely. We have many kinds of tea. Green tea, black tea, and chamomile tea. Chamomile is very good before bed.
Oh, chamomile tea sounds great for tonight. I will definitely call later for that. Thank you for the suggestion. You really know your tea.
You are welcome. I hope you sleep well tonight.
Thank you for everything tonight, Mina. You were very helpful and very kind. Thanks a lot for all of your help.
Thank you so much, Sam. That is very nice of you to say. It was my pleasure to help you tonight.
And thank you for the orange juice. It is very cold and very fresh, just how I like it.
I am happy to hear that. Is there anything else before I go?
No, I think that is everything. Thank you again. Good night, Mina.
Good night, Sam. Sleep well and enjoy the rest of your evening. We are always here if you need anything.
Thank you. I will. Good night.
Good night.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Sam ask to remove from his chicken sandwich? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.